Today it is September 15th and I am officially 2 months tomorrow. This is my hair. I just took my bonnet off. As you can see, the front is like super poofy. I am going to get my second retwist today with the style, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yo, what is up, you guys? I am back and I am loving my hair. As you can see, I got my first style. The back. She used rubber bands to tie them down at the ends. But yeah, this is the finished install. I really love it. My loctician told me that my hair should last in this style for a while. I decided to get a style now because, as you could see in the last video before I got this hair done, like my edges is like poofy. It's kind of like they unravel, and like cause like the middle of my hair and the back, and they're starting to, like, you know, lock a little bit and bud. But the front, I don't know what the front have going on. So I was like, I'm gonna get a style to like try to keep them twisted. And also I am going somewhere that requires me to have my hair done. And I didn't want to get another retwist before 4 weeks. I try to go at least 4 weeks or later, nothing before 4 weeks. So this is another reason why I got a style. And comment down below if you like the style on me and any other styles that you recommend or would like for me to try. So far what I have noticed is, like last week I had a little bit of itchiness and I think I had dandruff a little bit. Not real bad, but just, you know, like when you scratch your head and then like 1 or 2 little dust fall down. I'm trying to think what else I have noticed about my hair. It's budding a lot all over, real crazy. Let's see. Let's see, can't really tell. Like right here. I'm not sure if you can see, but like right here is another one. But so far I'm still loving my journey. And thank you guys for coming along with me. Oh yeah, also your girl is trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so make sure to share this video and all that. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.